Of Jeopardy records, but at heart, I'm just a fan of the show. And for any real Jeopardy fan, this streak is something special.
Well, of course, we're rooting for James.
Yes, indeed.
To take on Ken's record.
And I hope it continues. I think it's fun watching.
It is.
Although yesterday he had a double Jeopardy. Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Early on, so he's only able to wager $1,000.
Okay.
It's fun when he can wager 10,000 or 15,
yeah.
and then you see his opponent's faces go like this.
Exactly.
There's no way we're getting through.
Exactly.
All right, so here we are, lunchtime hour. We're already talking about what we're gonna have for lunch, and they're building a restaurant downstairs.
Yes.
We're ready for that. It's gonna be awesome. Looking outside this hour, up Wisconsin Avenue towards Somerset and Chevy Chase, also Friendship Heights. National Airport looking good if you're traveling in or out of town as you move through the afternoon hours and into the evening. And Key Bridge, look how nice and green everything is. And we're going to keep everything looking nice and green around here because more rain on the way later on this week. Temperatures, loving this, in the 60s this hour. 66 at Reagan National, 64 degrees at Leesburg, near 70 in Fredericksburg. Now, compared to yesterday at this time, our temperatures are about 15 to 20 degrees cooler. Make that 22 degrees cooler behind the cold front that moved through yesterday. A few of you saw a few showers and thunderstorms just as we had planned for in our forecast. Wind speeds right now around 10 to 15 miles per hour, making it feel a little bit cooler out there. But the big story are the dew point levels, and those are well into the 40s and lower 50s, and that's why it feels great outside. Stormwatch 7 satellite and radar hard pressed to find any cloud cover, but yes, yet another day of severe weather across the mid part of the country. This time, St. Louis is going to get in on the action. That's where they are under an enhanced risk. Nothing like the high risk that we saw yesterday over Oklahoma, where they had over 20 confirmed tornadoes. Out to lunch, closer to home, upper 60s to around 70 degrees. Grab the sunglasses. High temperatures will make it to around 70 in Martinsburg and Berkeley Springs, Berryville, just around 69 degrees. Downtown D.C., K Street, also Capitol Hill, you'll be in the lower to middle 70s. We're looking at temperatures in southern Maryland a little bit cooler, around 70 in Charlotte Hall. Fredericksburg just around 72 and lower 70s for Washington, Culpeper, and Orange. Here's our out to dinner forecast. A good night to maybe pull out the barbecue or grab a bite to eat on a rooftop deck. Temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s. Now waking up tomorrow morning, a definite chill in the air, upper 40s to middle 50s, depending on your location. Winchester around 48 degrees, middle 50s downtown D.C. With highs tomorrow, they'll make it into the 75-degree range. More cloud cover expected later in the day, but by no means am I talking about any type of wet weather. Let's talk about our Memorial Day weekend. It is creeping up on us quickly. If you're going to Ocean City, Rehoboth, Dewey, or Bethany, looks fantastic. Lower 70s on Saturday, near 80 degrees on Sunday, and then Monday looking at temperatures around 75. Check out the surf temperature, though, only in the upper 50s to around 60. 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7 does show temperatures in the middle 80s on Thursday. Better chance for a few thunderstorms, as some will have the potential to become strong to severe. Once we get that out of the way, Friday, an excellent travel day. If you're going up and down the East Coast, if you're going to the mountains or the Delmarva beaches, it's going to be warm, make that very warm and humid. Upper 70, upper 80s to around 90 degrees. I want to make sure you're listening.
Yes.
And we're going to see the heat and humidity stick around for the entire weekend.
Bring it.
Seems like last year, Memorial Day wasn't so great.
I agree. So we're getting paid back this year.
That's good. Pay forward.
I'm with it.
Right?
All right. Thanks, Steve. Stay with us. We'll have more after the break.
In honor of Memorial Day, Great Gatherings cordially invites you to disconnect and reconnect with the people who matter. For a short time, take up to 40% off select outdoor furniture that's sure to stimulate conversation. Plus, take up to 40% off fine, handcrafted game room essentials with a professional consultant to help you make the perfect choice. Our showroom has hundreds of choices to fit any budget. Great memories start with Great Gatherings. So hurry in.
Deep breath in.
Go ahead and lay down for right here.
Good. Now let it all out.
These would be the screening and prevention recommendations made for you.
Focus on you.
Thanks for being here.
Deep breath in. Let your lungs fill up.
It's really good news.
And now let it all out. Let it all go.
If you suffer from severe vision loss, such as macular degeneration, Low Vision Specialist is here to help.
So when I put these glasses on, I went to one of my grandson's games. I mean, it may not mean nothing to some people, but I could see his face. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for Dr. Aslan. I'm grateful for all the people. And he got some great people working for him.
If we can improve your vision, there's no charge, so call us today.
Call 844-631-2020 or visit lowvisionmd.org.
Is your outdoor patio old, worn, or in need of repair? Call Deck Ready. We'll give your deck a much-needed facelift for a fraction of the cost of building a new deck. Unlike other services, we won't just wash and restain your deck. We complete a comprehensive 5-step process, achieving incredible results. Here at Deck Ready, our services include a 10-year warranty. Plus, for a limited time, receive 50% off materials and 12 months no-interest financing. Get your deck ready with Deck Ready.